bokumbap, 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 bokum, bokumbap, bap, bap, bap. Welcome back to Kravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed, and today we're making kimchi fried rice, also known as bokumbap. Now, if you remember, a couple of weeks ago, I had Chef Sang Kim in this very kitchen, and he showed us how to make kimchi. Now, he left me with quite a few bottles of kimchi and told me it was good to make kimchi fried rice in a couple of weeks. So here we are. This recipe is incredible. It's really simple. Kimchi is just chopped up and tossed together with rice and a whole bunch of other ingredients, and it's a hearty and very delicious meal. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure that you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring the bell. That's YouTube's new bell icon. That will notify you every time I upload a new video. Now let's get cooking. It all starts with a great kimchi or fermented cabbage. You can either check out Sang's kimchi recipe at the end of this video and in the description, or just buy it from the store. Whatever you decide, you're going to have to separate the liquid from the cabbage. I have about 1 cup of kimchi here, and I'm just going to leave this in my sieve for a while to drain out that delicious brine. I have about 2 tablespoons of kimchi brine that has been separated from the cabbage. To this, I'm going to add my favorite, 1 tablespoon of gochujang or red pepper paste. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. I'm going to mix this together, and this is going to be the very simple seasoning for my rice. I'm just going to roughly chop my kimchi and keep this aside. In a wok, I'm going to add about a teaspoon or so of oil and once it's hot, I'm going to throw in a 1/4 cup of sliced spring onions. I've sliced just the bulbs and I've reserved the green leafy parts for the garnish. I'm going to let this saute for a few minutes before adding 1 cup of mushrooms, and once these have had a chance to cook, I'm going to add a 1/2 cup each of broccoli and green peppers. You can add any veggies of your choice. I'm making this rice vegetarian today, but you can also add chicken, beef, pork, or seafood. Follow me on Instagram, where I post all of the behind the scenes pictures and videos as they happen. I'm going to add in my kimchi and mix well. Next, I'm going to add 3 cups of cooked jasmine rice. Day-old rice is much better to use in any fried rice recipes. I'm going to gently toss everything over to mix, and then it's time for this wonderful seasoning. As it hits the hot wok, I can smell the sesame oil immediately. Mix this well till the sauce has coated all of the rice. I'm going to throw in some spring onion leaves, and kimchi is served traditionally with a fried egg. I'm going to fry an egg, and I'm going to season it really simply with some salt and pepper, and I'm also going to add a few spring onion leaves and some red chili. I'm going to cook this till the yolk is just about set, but still runny. Place it on top of your rice and serve. Yummy! Thank you so much for joining me in Kravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for kimchi fried rice or bokumbap. This is absolutely stunning. Make it at home, and it's a hearty and delicious meal. Do make sure that you subscribe to my channel, guys, and share my channel and my videos with your family and friends. I hope to hit 50,000 subscribers this year, and I know that you can help me get there. Also, I do love to hear what you think, so make sure to leave me a comment in the comment section below. And follow me on all of my social channels. I upload a ton of behind the scenes footage there, and we have a lot of fun. So do make sure that you're following me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and even Snapchat. Till I see you next time, take care.